I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can add a page on Wix website. So I hope you're going to find this short video helpful. If you do, subscribe for more. I really appreciate it and like this video. So what you're going to need to do to add a new page on Wix is we're going to have to go here to Pages and Menu. Click on here. And then here you have Site Menu. And then here you have all the pages on your website. Now, you can go here and click on Add Page, right? Or you can just click on here and add menu item, and then here you have a new page. But I'm going to click on here, Add Page. And now here we have a blank page. We can also, maybe we're looking for a contact page. So we're just going to click on here and add a contact add page, or you can just preview the page first. So let's click on Add Page. So after you added your page, then you can click on the three dots here. Of course, you can design a page, you can add to your page section, elements, but what I want to show you here is that if you maybe want to remove the page, you can click on the three dots here and you have delete. You also can duplicate the page, rename the page, connect background, page background, social share, SEO basics. You can also click on here and go to the SEO and social share. So you can add an image when you share actually this page. It's gonna have an image which looks more professional in my opinion. You can also here add meta description and title tag. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.